it's a lot of space out here.
Are you being an influencer?
It's really gorgeous. I am being an influencer, Dad. Okay? You're going in the vlog now. Okay, Mike got new shoes. He's very proud of them. You can see the Eiffel Tower from here. You can see it's very like Paris. It's very beautiful. So, yay!
Oh, wow. I only know Rabelais. Rabelais was
Where? That guy? That guy.
I don't know who that is.
Oh. Okay. What did he do?
I don't know.
Are there any women up here?
I don't know.
Rough. That's rough. That's a rough day for
I don't know.
France.
Go to
Update, there are women. There's women on they're over there. They're not with the line of famous men. They're just feeding babies.